Now that Chinese New Year is over, you might be wondering what you can do with all your leftover oranges. Here's a recipe I found online for no sugar marmalade. The kitchen is not really my natural habitat, so
What happened, Mommy?
we're gonna see whether this marmalade recipe turns out to be yummy or just turns out to be an experiment. You can kind of get a sense of the stress I feel about being in the kitchen from my decor theme, which is the food web. It's all about being eaten. Apparently this is what I will need today, apart from a haircut. I have one orange and some honey and chia seeds, which will apparently help with gelling the whole thing together, and that's why you don't have to use the sugar. First, zest an orange enthusiastically. With all these steps, you might be able to get your kids to help you depending on their age. Put the peel in a jar, then peel a whole orange.
Swish swimming in the sea. Half and
Put the bits into the blender. Need 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, half a tablespoon of water, 1 tablespoon of honey. I don't like anything to go to waste. Blend it and then pour it into the jar. Oh, it smelled a little bit weird. Hope it's gonna be okay. Just give it a stir so the zest is all mixed together with the blend. Taste it okay at that point. Cover it and put it in the fridge at least for 1 hour, but preferably overnight. Are you curious?
No.
Okay. Mommy will try it first. See whether it's fit to feed my children. Okay. Tastes not bad. It's quite refreshing. I think maybe next time I won't put in so much of the zest. Hey, it's actually really nice. You want to try a little bit?
No.
Just try a tiny bit, please.
No.
Or do you want me to put it in yogurt?
It's in yogurt. You don't the slime.
You like it?
Yeah.
Yeah, you like it? Look, Edith likes the orange jam.
On the orange one.
You want the orange jam?
No, it's peach.
Okay. There, this is a really little bit. Open your mouth. It didn't even go into your mouth. Yeah. Okay. Close your mouth. It didn't go into your mouth. How is it?
Not good.
What?
Not good.
Not great? You don't like it? Okay, but at least you tried. Thank you for trying it. Sugar-free orange marmalade recipe. I thought it tasted pretty good, but Emmanuel really didn't go for it. I think it's very important for us to try new things outside of our comfort zone, and I try to encourage the kids to do the same. Sometimes it works out, sometimes it doesn't, but it's important to keep doing these experiments, I think. So if you enjoyed this video, do subscribe for more. See you next time. Bye-bye.
See you next time.